I can't wait. Shibarium public beta, let me go ahead and highlight this to you, is planned for deployment in Q3. The Shiba Inu crypto community is anticipating the launch of the Layer 2 scaling solution known as Shibarium after we revealed that the public beta will be Q3. Now, Satoshi and Ryoshi Layer 2 solution will bring fees down. This is what they said, the developers will bring fees down. This whole Layer 2 solution down considerably. We're talking about fees here. Possibility to zero. Now, the Shiba Inu holders plan to launch NFTs, new NFT marketplace on the Shibarium. SHIB holders are preparing for the Shibarium, so they're getting ready for this movement here. We are SHIB Army holders, we are SHIB Army members, so I hope we provide a beacon of light to others in the community that maybe want to build for Shibarium or Shiba Inu. There are going to be a lot of people that want to build this. If someone starts a movement and successful, others will follow. You build it, people will follow. We not only want to provide, but we also want to inspire others to build. Absolutely. Now look at this. A portion of the transaction fees get sent to the SHIB burn address, and on top of that, every single collection or NFT that's listed, you can also set for yourself how much that gets burned. I can't wait to see this. This is actually a good idea. I really hope it works out. It seemed like the SHIB Army members have gave this a lot of thought, because as SHIB holders prepare for the Shibarium launch, we can see more projects get ready to build on the L2. Drop the mic. Drop the mic. And let's talk more about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Look at this. Check this out. The Shibarium blockchain release will really boost the price of SHIB through Shiba burning mechanism, the vision of Shiba Inu creator. Think about that. This is a good strategy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, the burning mechanism is a really good strategy to make Shiba Inu price keep soaring. The burn rate will increase due to the fact there's a reward to SHIB holders ready to burn Shiba Inu tokens. Now look at this here. What is the Shibarium utility token? People want to know that, maybe this. Now look at this. I'm going to skip down to right here. Ryoshi also said SHIB and leash tokens have a lot of utility in the Shiba swap. So I hope you stake in your SHIB in the Shiba swap or your bone or your leash. Neither of those will be first combined tokens for the Shibarium blockchain. Instead, it will be bone. Bone, I've been saying, is probably one of the most pieces of this ecosystem is bone. And it says so basically right here. It is said that Shiba Inu won't be the utility token of the Shibarium blockchain. But Bone, the creator, speaks more of this reason for Bone being utility token of Shibarium. Bone will have a good and a zero beginning, during which they will not be in trouble concerning overarching well back. So they have a strategy, and there's a reason why Bone is definitely part of this powerful movement, and it will be the utility. It will be the gas for the Shibarium. In conclusion, the developers know what they're doing. More utility for Shiba Inu, leash, Bone, and other ones inside the ecosystem. This Shiba Inu, this Shibarium here, will be something to remember if everything is done correctly. They have a burn mechanism with this. They have Shiba Inu holders want to launch new NFT marketplace on the Shibarium. And check this out. We could see more projects get ready to build on the L2. And that's right there with this whole strategy could boost this price of SHIB to the top. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, deployment in Q3. Let's see what happens. Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. You see the video on the bottom left? Check that out. I'll be there in a few minutes.